The great debate: can you link your Capital One account to PayPal? Ever fumbled with your wallet at checkout, desperately searching for the right card? Or maybe you're tired of typing in your credit card information every time you shop online. That's where PayPal comes in, the digital wallet that streamlines online transactions. But what if you're a loyal Capital One customer? Can you ditch the plastic and pay with your Capital One account directly through PayPal? This question has swirled around the internet for a while, leaving many Capital One users confused. Fear not, financial warriors. Today, we'll crack the code and unveil the truth behind linking your Capital One account to PayPal. Here's a quick scenario. You're browsing your favorite online store, ready to snag that limited edition gadget. You breeze through checkout, reach the payment section, and see the glorious PayPal button. But wait, there's no option to directly link your Capital One checking or savings account. Panic sets in. Is PayPal discriminating against Capital One? Hold on a second. Breathe. Relax. The answer, like most things in finance, is a nuance that depends. Let's delve deeper. While PayPal doesn't currently allow linking Capital One bank accounts for direct transfers, there's a silver lining. You can still leverage the power of PayPal using your Capital One credit card. Here's the lowdown. Capital One credit cards plus PayPal. This is a match made in online shopping heaven. You can easily link most Capital One credit cards to your PayPal wallet. This way, you can pay securely and conveniently at millions of online stores that accept PayPal. Plus, you might even earn valuable rewards points on your Capital One card for those purchases. The process is simple. Log into your PayPal account and head to your wallet section. Click on Link a Card or Bank and choose Link a Debit or Credit Card. Enter your Capital One credit card information and follow the on-screen prompts. Now, whenever you check out with PayPal, you can choose your linked Capital One card as the payment method. Easy, right? Now, let's address the elephant in the room. What about Capital One debit cards and bank accounts? Here, things get a bit trickier. As of today, you cannot directly link your Capital One checking or savings account to PayPal for transferring funds. This might be a disappointment for some, but there are alternative solutions. Link a different bank account. If you have a bank account from another institution, you can link that one to PayPal for transfers. This way, you can top up your PayPal balance and use it for online purchases or sending money to friends and family. Transfer funds from Capital One to external account. You can transfer funds from your Capital One account to another bank account that's linked to PayPal. Then, use that linked account to top up your PayPal balance. It's an extra step, but it gets the job done. The future of Capital One and PayPal. The financial landscape is constantly evolving, and the relationship between Capital One and PayPal is no exception. While direct linking of Capital One bank accounts isn't available yet, there's always a chance for future developments. Here are some things to keep an eye on. Official announcements. Both Capital One and PayPal regularly update their services. Stay tuned to their official channels for any announcements regarding linking Capital One bank accounts. Third-party integrations. Sometimes, innovative third-party services emerge that bridge the gap between different financial institutions. Keep an eye out for such solutions that might simplify the process of using your Capital One account with PayPal. Remember, even though direct linking of Capital One bank accounts isn't available right now, you can still leverage the convenience and security of PayPal using your Capital One credit card. As always, stay informed about any future updates and explore alternative solutions to optimize your online payment experience. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.